start showing up. Make that new recipe, write that song, make that presentation, start that business. Do all the things that make you uncomfortable and scared, because your growth lies there. Hello, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. This year, I'm committed to create at least 2 videos a week. So without wasting any moment, let's dive into the video. Today, I want to talk about your purpose in life. Because a lot of us do things in our life that are not even helping us to move forward. That happens because you're not clear on your purpose. But as you're watching this video, I want you to start asking yourself those tough questions that will eventually lead you to find your purpose in life. Finding your purpose is a time-consuming job, and it can leave you feeling frustrated and confused, but it's a great investment in yourself. It comes down to becoming more self-aware and knowing what your values are. And if you haven't checked out my video on values, I'm going to put the links in the description or in the cards in this video. Make sure you check that video out after watching this one. In this video, I'm sharing a few tips that will help you to find more purpose in your life, because these are the same tips and techniques that I use to find my purpose. The first one is drive. So ask yourself, what's my drive? Maybe it's pain, maybe it's unhappiness, maybe it's financial condition, or maybe your current situation you are in. It can be anything that can become your purpose. For me, it was my situation, just being depressed and not having any kind of direction. So that just became my purpose. Next one is things you love to do or you want to learn more about. Here, I just want to mention these 2 different words, talent and skill. Maybe you like to do different things. Maybe you like to sing, maybe you like to swim, maybe you like to run. It can be anything. Is that a talent or is that a skill? Because these are 2 different words. So you will have a lot of talents, but you need to work on your skills to become the best in your field. So I want you to take some time and brainstorm and write down all the things that you like to do on a day-to-day basis. Next one is, what are the qualities that people adore about you? Because most of the time what happens is that we don't see those qualities in ourselves that other people can see. So I want you to think about this. Maybe it's a conversation with your family, with your friends, with your coworkers, or maybe it can be anyone. And just think about, what are the things that people normally say to me? Maybe if they give you some kind of compliments, maybe they tell you that you're a good listener. Maybe they tell you you are fit, you are healthy. It can be anything. Again, talking about purpose and finding your purpose, as I said before, can be a time-consuming job, but it's an investment in yourself. So I want you to do all the things that I'm saying, and at the end of this video, after you're done with your exercises, I'm sure that you will have some kind of clarity with your goals. Next one is make a decision. Once you have a little bit clarity about what you want to do in your life or what your purpose is, I want you to make a decision and don't look back. Because most of the time what we do is we think, and we never take action. So I want you to make that decision and see what's the next thing that you can do. Maybe in future your purpose will change, but as of now, if you feel that, yeah, this is my purpose, just make that decision and start taking that action. Next one is dream big, dream abundance. I like to use law of attraction in my life, and when I'm using law of attraction, I like to be a little bit illogical, because your logical mind will always keep you in a box, in your comfort zone. So when you are using law of attraction, when you are dreaming big and you're dreaming abundance, now instead of thinking of the worst case scenarios, you're thinking of the best case scenarios. What possibly can go right instead of what possibly can go wrong. Make it a habit. Become more aware of your thoughts, of your limiting beliefs, because you cannot have different results with the same kind of action. So you have to have different action if you want to see different result in your life. If you want to learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind, I have a 10-day course on Insight Timer. If you don't know Insight Timer, it's a meditation app and where you can access thousands and thousands of meditations, courses, and workshops. And this course has almost 2,000 students at this time. So if you're serious about finding your purpose and really letting go of those limiting beliefs and old conditioning, I highly encourage to take this course. I will put the links in the description. Once you're clear on your purpose, I want you to ask this question, what's my tribe? Because this is a very important question. You want to know what kind of people I want to help. Because when you have a purpose, it's not about you only. It's about people. It's about helping others as well. Because when you help others, you also help yourself. So I want you to ask these questions: that what kind of environment you want to create, and what kind of people I want to help, and what kind of transformation that I want to bring in this world. My last one, but my most favorite, is this: get uncomfortable. If you're not seeing a lot of challenges and a lot of problems in your life, which means you are living in your comfort zone. You are so comfortable living in your own little world. So if you want to make big changes, you have to come out of your comfort zone. Otherwise, if you don't have big goals, you don't have big dreams, it's fine to be in your comfort zone. But if you are that person who likes to dream big, who wants to serve the community, who wants to transform the world, I want you to start doing the things that makes you uncomfortable. Start showing up. Make that new recipe. Write that song. Make that presentation. Start that business. Do all the things that make you uncomfortable and scared, because your growth lies there. If you're still here, it's time for a bonus tip. See, finding your life purpose can be a lifelong journey, and it's okay to take one step at a time. And while on this journey, you probably will have a lot of challenges, a lot of frustration, a lot of anger, and it's totally okay to feel that way. Whenever you feel that you just want to quit, you cannot do this, you want to go back to what you were doing because that was easy, that was comfortable, but now this is so uncomfortable, I just want you to remember the first thing that we talked about: your drive. What's the pain that you're trying to let go of? Because success can happen on the next day, so never give up. Start taking action, make some modifications. If you feel that you need to change your direction, you can, but don't lose hope. Don't lose that trust. Don't lose that belief. Always believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself and your purpose, everything will happen. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would help this video to reach a wider audience. So help me help you, and together we help the world. Alright, that's a wrap. I would see you in my next video. By then, sending you so much love and light. Thank you.